Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make free PayPal money with this simple app for 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. Now, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's going to help out my channel, and it's going to help out this video to go viral. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have a Instagram page I want you guys to follow. I'm trying to get my followers up. Just go on Instagram and search for AppGrind. Hit that follow button and drop me a DM if you have any questions about any of my videos that I drop. Alright guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this app. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Userlytics. So on this website, you're going to get paid to test apps and websites. Now, as soon as you get here, well, let me just show you this. Here are the clients. So you got Washington Post, Verizon, Coca-Cola, some of the biggest brands in the world work with this website, guys. Now, what you're going to do is scroll down here, all the way down, and you're going to click where it says, be paid to participate. It's going to take you to this page right here. So get paid to test websites and apps. So the first thing you're going to go do, guys, is register and start earning money. So all you got to do is complete a short and easy form, and boom, you're going to join all the users in this community. Then number two, you're going to interact with a web and mobile app. So what you're going to do is go to the website and you're going to interact with it by just answering a few questions while you're just looking at the website or looking at the app. Then number three, you're going to get paid via PayPal. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, just go to paypal.com, sign up. It's real easy and simple and fast to sign up. Now, check this out, guys. Once your test results have been approved, depending upon the user test project, you can get paid from $5, $10, $15, $20, and sometime up to $90, guys, just for testing a website or an app. How does that sound? Now, how it works. So, as I said before, all you're going to do is go to a website, go to an app, and look around, answer some questions, give feedback on that app or that website. Then after that, you're going to turn in your results, give your results to Userlytics, and then they're going to reward you with from $5 to $90. That's the whole step, guys. That's how it works. Now, this question is always asked in almost all my videos. Is this available in my country? And right here, it tells you what countries is available in. So what countries can you test from? So Europe, North America, and check this out. South Africa. I know I got a lot of people from Africa. Southeast Asia, Japan, and China. And then they got a lot of other countries around the world too. You'll find that out once you sign up. Now, what kind of software or hardware do you need? So you need a desktop computer and a mobile phone. So either one, you can use a desktop or a mobile phone. And here are the apps. So you can either go to Google Play and use that app there, or go to Apple Store and use the app there. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. It's a very, very fun website because you're going to be, get to test websites and apps, and you're just going to be giving your opinion. So this is a legit website, been around for a while. As you see, it works with big time companies. Those big time companies wouldn't want to work with a website that's not legit. So go ahead and get started with this website right now, guys. Go to userlytics.com, sign up, and start getting this PayPal money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. It helped me to get at least 50 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, family, one other thing I want to do before I end this video. I do shout outs. And the way I do shout outs, I randomly pick a comment and pop it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate you checking out my videos. And if you share my videos, keep sharing them and keep hitting that like button. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Keep supporting me, and I'm going to keep dropping this content. And let's go, guys. Road to 7,000. Let's get there by the end of October. It's October right now while I'm filming this. Let's get there by the end of October. We got 7 or 8 more days to go. Let's get there, guys. I'm ready to give away this free money. This money is itching my hand. All right. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.